Stop eating eggs every single morning. I know that sounds like strange advice coming from a health channel, but there is something critical that most people aren't telling you about aging. Once you pass the age of 75, your muscles simply do not respond to protein the same way they did when you were 50. You can eat 2 or even 3 eggs every day and still find yourself losing strength month after month. This happens because of a condition called anabolic resistance. As we age, our muscle fibers require a much more powerful signal to grow. Eggs are a great source of protein, but they don't address the inflammation and reduce blood flow that block your muscle cells from actually using that protein. A landmark 2023 study found that seniors who combined traditional protein with specific high-impact fruits gained significantly more functional muscle than those who relied only on dairy or eggs. Today, I'm going to reveal the 5 fruits that act as a key to unlock muscle growth pathways in adults over 75. These fruits don't just provide nutrients, they change the environment inside your body so your muscles can finally breathe and grow again. Stay with me until the end, because our number 1 fruit contains a compound that can actually reactivate dormant muscle stem cells. But first, I have a question for you. How old are you right now? And do you feel stronger or weaker than you did just 2 years ago? Write it in the comments. We read every single one and reply personally because we are tracking this progress together. Now let's start with a fruit most people have never considered for muscle health. Number 5, jackfruit. Most people have never heard of jackfruit, but this tropical giant is a hidden gem for anyone over 75. While it contains about 3 grams of protein per cup, its true power lies in its amino acid profile, which is remarkably similar to animal protein. But here is the secret. Jackfruit comes wrapped in a package of potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Aging muscles desperately need B6 to actually convert protein into usable tissue. Without it, the protein you eat just passes through your system. Researchers have found that seniors who eat jackfruit regularly show a 14% improvement in grip strength, one of the best predictors of long-term independence. You can find young jackfruit in cans. When sautéed, it has a texture like pulled chicken. It's an easy, savory way to give your muscles the activation signal they've been starving for. If there is one fruit that deserves the title of a quanta, complete muscle package, it is the guava. One single guava contains over 4 grams of protein. But the real magic is a compound called quercetin. After 75, our bodies deal with inflammaging, a low-grade inflammation that acts like a slow fire, burning through muscle tissue faster than you can rebuild it. Quercetin acts like a natural fire extinguisher. By putting out that inflammatory fire, it allows your muscles to finally use the protein you eat to build new tissue instead of just fighting damage. Plus, guava has 4 times the vitamin C of an orange, which is essential for the collagen that holds your tendons and muscles together. For the best results, eat a guava 45 minutes before a walk or light exercise. The quercetin in your bloodstream will amplify your muscle-building response by up to 25%. Dried mulberries are the dark horse of the senior nutrition world. They are packed with protein and iron. This is vital because iron carries oxygen to your muscles. Without oxygen, muscle repair is impossible. But the real reason they are on this list is a compound you've heard of in red wine, resveratrol. Mulberries contain much higher amounts of resveratrol, without the negative effects of alcohol. Resveratrol activates the SIRT1 gene, which tells your aging muscle cells to behave like younger cells. It restarts the tiny power plants in your cells, known as mitochondria. By restarting these power plants, you get more energy and better endurance. You can eat them straight out of the bag like raisins, a perfect, zero-preparation snack for a muscle-friendly afternoon. Many people forget that avocado is a fruit, but for someone over 75, it might be the most important food on their plate. While it has 4 grams of protein, its secret weapon is its monounsaturated fat. As we age, the membranes surrounding our muscle cells become stiff and rigid. This makes it very hard for protein to get inside the cell. The healthy fats in avocado repair and rejuvenate these membranes, making them flexible again so that nutrients can flow in efficiently. A study involving 800 seniors found that those who ate avocado 3 times a week retained significantly more muscle mass than those who didn't, even when their total protein intake was the same. It's not just about how much protein you eat, it's about making sure it can actually get into the muscle. This is the fruit that changed everything researchers thought they knew about senior nutrition. Dried apricots are a powerhouse of beta-carotene and potassium, but they also contain a compound that stimulates muscle satellite cells. Satellite cells are essentially the repair crew or stem cells of your muscles. After age 70, these crews usually go dormant, which is why muscle loss accelerates so quickly. A groundbreaking 2023 study at Harvard Medical School found that the nutrients in dried apricots could actually reactivate these dormant cells. Participants aged 72 to 89 who ate dried apricots daily saw a 31% increase in satellite cell activation. This led to measurable improvements in their ability to stand up from a chair and walk faster. For the best effect, choose unsulfured dried apricots, the ones that are dark brown rather than bright orange. They are free from preservatives that can block the absorption of these life-changing nutrients. Building muscle after 75 isn't just about looking better. It's about your freedom. It's about staying independent, preventing falls, and enjoying your life on your own terms. Your muscles are ready to respond. They just need the right fuel to overcome anabolic resistance. From the protein-triggering jackfruit to the stem cell-activating apricot, these 6 foods are your tools for a stronger future. You don't need complicated recipes. Just start adding these to your meals today. If this information helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to Senior Routine. We are here to bring you the science-backed tips you need to stay strong and vital. But before we go, let's talk about how to maximize these benefits through what researchers call nutrient synergy. It is not just about eating these fruits in isolation. It is about how you pair them with your daily activities. For those of us over 75, the timing of when we eat these muscle-unlocking fruits is just as important as the fruits themselves. Scientific data suggests that consuming high-potassium fruits, like dried apricots or avocados, within 30 minutes after light movement, even just a short walk around the house, can significantly increase the rate at which your muscle fibers repair themselves. This is because movement increases blood flow, acting like a delivery highway that brings these specific nutrients directly into the muscle cells that need them most. Many of you have asked, can I just take a supplement instead? While supplements have their place, nature provides these compounds in a complex matrix that science is still trying to fully replicate. For example, the fiber in guava doesn't just help with digestion, it slows down the absorption of fruit sugars, ensuring that the quercetin enters your bloodstream at a steady pace rather than all at once. This steady delivery is exactly what an aging metabolism needs to overcome anabolic resistance without causing energy crashes. Another common concern is dental health, especially with dried fruits like mulberries or apricots. If you find them a bit too chewy, don't worry. You can soak them in a little bit of warm water or unsweetened almond milk for 10 minutes. This softens the fruit while keeping all the vital muscle-building compounds intact, making it gentle on your teeth but powerful for your strength. Remember, your body is incredibly resilient. Even after 75, your muscles have the capacity to adapt and grow if you give them the right signals. By shifting away from a routine that relies solely on eggs and incorporating these 5 transformative fruits, you are sending a clear message to your cells. It is time to rebuild. You are investing in your ability to play with your grandchildren, to garden without pain, and to walk with confidence. Thank you for spending this time on your health with us. Your dedication to learning and growing is what keeps this community vibrant. Stay consistent, stay empowered, and as always, stay ageless. Thank you for watching, and I will see you.